Windows already comes with plenty of useful features, but Microsoft PowerToys takes customization and productivity a step further. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft PowerToys on Windows. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft PowerToys download. To make sure you're getting the legitimate version, look for the official Microsoft PowerToys app in their App Store maintained by Microsoft. Find the download button and click on it. Once the download is finished, open the installer within your browser or from your Downloads folder. The files will download for a short time and then the installation process will begin. Windows may display a security prompt asking whether you want to allow the application to make changes to your device. If the file came from the official Microsoft release, select Yes to continue. The PowerToys setup process should be smooth and easy without much to do. Probably one of the most seamless installation I have ever seen. When installation is complete, Microsoft PowerToys will launch automatically. The PowerToys dashboard gives you access to the different utilities included with the application. Also, usually I'm not a fan of softwares automatically starting when you turn off your computers, but with this one it feels like a good idea. If you want to do that, go to General section and toggle Run at Startup on. You'll find tools for window management, keyboard customization, file previews, image resizing, color picking, renaming files, and much more. You don't have to activate everything. Instead, browse through the available utilities and turn on the ones that fit your workflow. PowerToys is particularly useful because it brings many advanced Windows tools together in one place rather than requiring a separate application for every small task. And with that, Microsoft PowerToys is installed and ready to explore. For more tutorials, productivity features, and useful PC tips, check out our other guides.